It is warm outside here today in Tennessee. It's like in the 90s. I've got my grandson here and he has been outside hard at play with a neighbor friend, and he came in and had lunch, and I asked him what he wanted for supper. And what did you say you wanted, Carson?
Meatballs.
Meatballs. What he's asking for is this meatball dish that my husband makes. Typically we would make this on the stovetop, but I've got a lot of cooking to do today, so I'm going to make it in the crock pot. Yes. We're gonna get started on this, and Carson's gonna help. Carson's gonna put a little oil in here for me. And I'm just gonna take the paper towel and I am going to wipe this down. Now grab a bag of turkey meatballs. You can use beef if you want to. Carson is gonna dump these in here. All of them.
Oh, all of them? That's all of them. See? None in there.
None in there. All right.
I'm gonna go throw this away.
Awesome. We're training him right.
Now we're gonna grab a bowl. These meatballs are real frozen.
They are frozen. My meatballs are frozen. Good point, Carson. I'm going to open 2 cans of cream of mushroom.
It's so jiggly.
Jiggly? It is jiggly.
Look at that big fat blob.
Okay.
Now just put this to the side.
Now we are
grab that.
Yes, now we are going to do sour cream. Half a cup of sour cream. There you go. Now Carson's gonna stir this up. Nope, not like that.
Oh.
Look, watch. Stir. Mix it really well. There you go. And it's going to look like this. Now we are just going to drop that in over those meatballs. Do you want to do it?
Yep.
Come around here.
And she's gonna stir it.
Yes, I'm going to stir this. I want to coat those meatballs really well. I'm going to turn this crock pot on high. So we are going to let this cook. We're going to serve it over what, Carson?
Rice.
It's one of Carson's favorites, isn't it? Bleh.